Dream Cup the Spirit emathafeni kwaMgayi ila sikhona siyiDurban Network igama ke ngusabelo Ndabase njengamanje ke ngine founder umfokazi Kalala we group ekuthiwa i12 man group. Mfowethu uzizwa kanjani namhlanje ukuthi uhambe indlela all the way la ubuya khona wathi you wanna be the part of the Dream Cup?
Sibonge bingelela abaxhasi bingelele ama supporters akhona i-tournament enkulu ngoba mase sizwile ukuthi kune tournament engaka afuna la supportaneni mina nguzikala uJason Zikalala we 12 man group we CEO and founder of the 12 man group inhlangano yabalandeli bebhola eSouth Africa. So ke namhlanje asile kuzokhuluma ngayo kodwa sizokhuluma ngeDream Cup kuyiyenye yama tournament sekunesikhathi ikhona from 2018 till today uyabona ne crowd ekhona ukuthi inkulu baphumela abalandeli so ama event akanje ama initiative amakhulu emphakathini ngoba iqoqa nentsha isondele groundini support sport participate nokuthi ingagxili kakhulu ophuze noludakayo nakuyidakamizwa so i-tournament enkulu esibona inekusasa elikhulu siyafisa ukubona ilingana njengama tournament icishe ifike lama tournament amakhulu esike siwabona kodwa i-tournament ne-tournament ine vision i-mission and vision yayo inendlela yayo nanokuthi sifuna ukuphokophela kuphi sabantu ngoba nathi siyi-12 man group siyafisa ukuthi in 2 years to come siyafisa nathi ukuthi sike sifake isandla njengoba nathi sinasenza ama-event amakhulu la eSouth Africa nathi kube khona esikwenzayo ukunikela back emphakathini sibuye nathi sizofaka kule tournament sizofaka isandla kube khona esikwenzayo nasemphakathini.
Let us speak about the value of the tournament. You are part of the tournament. You've seen the players, you've seen the pitch, you've seen everything. You've seen the quality of football that has been displayed. Kuthini uvo lakho la?
Look, into ebalekile mfethu ukuthi simakethe ngendlela. Ngibukile quality yabadlali abakhona ne strength abanaso. So uyabona ukuthi banali sasasa. So ngiyafisa ukubaxhasa ukuthi the more iza sebelungiselela bameme ama scout maningi kama scout emagroundini abaningi bayaphuma abafuna abadlali ngoba sasibhekela isizini sizoqala isizini so nayo asingabi sithene the blind eye as if ayikho ikhona italent la kaMgayi emathafeni liningi futhi italent elikhona if singa investa kahle nathi esenza ama event amakhulu kule tournament le bakhona abadlali esingaphuma nabo sibayise ebholeni elithe ukuphakama elisesigabeni esikhokhelwayo ngoba khona abanye abaphuma koBaroka khona umfowethu kade ngimugqoka ujersey number 14 phuma kweBaroka we got talent so nayona i-tournament asiyikhuliseni nami ngiyazi ukuthi kudingi iqhaza efuna la silibambe nami ngiyazi uma kuqhubeka siyi-12 man group siyinhlangano engenza inzuzo yabalandeli ekuwukuthi kufanele nathi masithola la sithola khona kube khona nathi esikubuyisayo emphakathini kuyo yonke imphakathi yakithi.
Sesivala nje mfokazi Kalala yini ongayisho kubathandi beDream Cup abalandeli inkumbi ngeenkumbi ezile groundini?
Ngingathi nje mfethu ngibafisa le tournament enhle bayiphathe kahle noma sebesuka lana don't drink and drive bangene emgaqweni masubona ukuthi usudlile hlala eceleni bekhona umuntu olokhuzana odrivelayo i-tournament ihambe kahle nabaxhasi ngibafisela okuhle kodwa baqhubeke bayibambe nathi sizobuya kungekudala mhlambe ngonyaka ozayo sobe sisifaka nathi isandla.
Besikhona ke siyiDurban Network nomfokazi Kalala we 12 man group. Danko.